Semifinals match number 9, 70-34 to be determined, goes up. They don't quite make it though. We'll have to see if they can get it back during the teleoperated period. And aimbot seems to be stopped with their elevator up. And the Blue Alliance all not moving, but they are going to come back to life here as the drivers take control. And immediately C-Cubed runs over to the blue side of the field to try to slow down the operations of that Blue Alliance. Fred making very quick work of one of the algae placed on the reef, and they are trying to hold their own ground against C-Cubed. Fred returning back to that reef, but it gets bounced out of their robot by C-Cubed, who's doing an excellent job of defending. Over on the red side of the field, Beavertronics has come over to do the same thing, and they are trying to slow down the motions of 70-34 to be determined, while their alliance partner Aimbot, elevator up, lining up, it's good. 70-34 lining up, can they get it up to the 4th level? Not quite, but they're going to try again. 64-43 aimbot, trying to use their aimbot to line up. And 70-34 makes it stick. Aimbot having it balance on top of the reef. That does count unless it falls off. And Beavertronics continues to try to shove to be determined out of the way. Over on the blue side of the field, elevator up for bite-sized. It's on to level 4. Fred puts one coral up onto level 3, it sticks, and C-Cubed is there to fight them as soon as they come over to that human player station. They're both battling for the same part of the field. Fred lining up, they don't quite get the coral from the human player station, but they're gonna line up again here, and they do get it from the human player station. And on the red side of the field, we have an almost full upper level of the reef. Aimbot moving towards the center of the field, and it looks like they're going to try to lock in a climb as we approach the end game. And Fred is stuck on an algae. Let's see if their alliance partners can free them. 59-70 Beavertronics pushes them off, and they are free. Meanwhile, their alliance partners, bite size, going for one last coral. They make it stick. Will Fred be able to get up off the ground? To be determined is up off the ground. Aimbot's up off the ground. Beavertronics is up on the ground. Fred's up off the ground. 4 robots up in the air right as the match expires. 88-57. And of course, that does mean that we have to say goodbye to our alliance number 7. Team 847, Fred.